Hello folks, today I want to show you a huge air filter, air purifier, okay? So, let me show you around. This is what I had before. It's big enough for this huge dining room, okay? But when it comes to like living room and everything connected to the house, so I have a dining room there, and then kitchen, and then stairway, and everything's kind of like connected. Becoming issues, right? I want to filter everything on this level, so I decided to purchase this huge UNbeaten air purifier. Okay, so it's huge, but it works perfectly. Alright, so let's turn it on. What you have right here is the console of everything. Alright, all the information is in there. You can see the humidity level, the lights. This light is really cool. Okay, it's telling you what's your current air condition in your room. So right now it's green, which means yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so I don't have any bad air or anything. So I put it on auto. Okay, here that you can set up a wireless. You can install it through an app. It's called Smart Life, which you can actually connect it to your Amazon app as well, Alexa or anything. Okay, or even Google stuff. The reason why I put it right here, a dedicated place here, because we have all the shoes and everything, and there's odor, coming out of it, and I want this to suck in here and just filter everything out and then spit it out. Because to me, this is the most dirtiest place in our living room right now, because it's right next to the door. Okay, so as you can see and you can hear, it's very, very low noise. That's awesome. Take a look at this. This thing is huge, and you can barely hear anything. You can probably hear my fish tank, but not this. Real quiet. This is freaking awesome. It's awesome. Okay, another good thing about this air filter is that it's coming on this one side, and also air coming on from another side. How cool is that? Alright, so you have two sides of air coming in, and then this spitting out and go back into the atmosphere. Okay, pretty awesome. So everything that you can do is right here. You can set up the fan speed. Okay, it's getting louder. It's getting louder. You have this. Awesome. Okay, so it's kind of loud right now, so let me turn it down a little. Put it back to auto. Okay. This thing's gonna save you life. Okay. If you have kids around, so I have toy and everything all laying around the living room. Kids, they like to mess thing up. Like, if they see all these buttons, oh my god, it's so cool, so fun. This is gonna save your life. It's gonna lock everything that you already set up. Okay, so your child cannot like go in and mess with it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I like that feature. Really like that feature. The screen right here is not touchable, which makes sense because everything that you can control up here. Okay, it's huge. It's gonna cover all three rooms for me. Okay, been using it for okay, you have timer. I have to turn off that timer. I don't want timer, I just want auto. Okay, and there you go. That's my review. I want to show you how awesome this is and how quiet it is. Woo! Yeah, just tell you everything right here, which is awesome. Cool device. Very, very satisfied with this product, and I highly recommend it.
Hi, Pepper and I want to show you this really cool HEPA Air Purifier by UNbeaten. So it's both manual and Wi-Fi operated, so you can download the app and have remote access to it and see all the air quality and everything that it offers on the app. But also, with a simple touch of the button here, we can turn it on. The front panel lights up. And as you can see, it's got the light that turns green if we need to clean it. Yellow. So this is, oh, red. So we are definitely in need of some air purification, Pepper. Let me turn this off because I do want to show you some other features on it. So it has the Wi-Fi, it has the lockout button for pets and kids and just people you don't trust. It has a timer, a sleep button, and the fan speed level. So it does have 2 fans, one on each side, so you're really going to pull in a lot of air. You can clean 1,800 square feet, and it will rotate the air out of the room about 3 times every hour. So what's really important is that you open everything up, and the HEPA filter is encased in plastic. So you definitely need to open that up and remove the plastic before you turn it on. Otherwise, you're really not going to be doing any good at all. And it comes with the pre-filter and also the outer case to keep everything protected.